Hello guys, in this tutorial I will explain you what is Doge 2.0. So first of all, Dogecoin 2.0 is a distinct upgrade from the original Dogecoin. It involves creating a new blockchain with enhanced privacy, transaction speed, and compatibility with existing Dogecoin wallets, addresses, and transactions. This upgrade is designed to improve the overall functionality of the cryptocurrency. So basically, Dogecoin 2.0 is a cryptocurrency created through a hard fork of Dogecoin, aiming to uphold the original's attributes of being a playful, swift, efficient, and secure digital currency for online transactions. Doge 2.0 introduces significant changes, employing a proof of stake consensus method and a decentralized governance protocol, and this shift enables users to earn income by staking rather than mining and empowers them to propose and vote on governance matters within the Doge2 protocol. So Dogecoin incorporates a native decentralized exchange named WazirX, enabling users to securely trade within the network. This feature enhances security and trust for those seeking a decentralized cryptocurrency trading platform. So this is the tutorial, guys. Hope that this video will help you. Sorry for my bad English accent, but I hope that you will understand me. So that's the tutorial, guys, and we will see next time.